the first circle. So you remember that sir, for center you have to half the coefficient of x, half the coefficient of y, and change the sign. So it is 1 comma negative 11 is center for circle 1. Yes or no?
Yes,
Ayana,
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
right?
sir.
Clear? Then similarly, what is the center for circle 2? 7, 3, negative, negative.
7 comma.
Yes, right? Now let's read the question. They are undisturbed. Now, right, let's read the questions. Hmm. If you read the questions, you will find कि भाई they are talking about two circles brum and brum intersect orthogonally. We remember that when two circles intersect orthogonally, then radius 1 ka square plus radius 2 ka square is equals to distance ka square. Which distance between what? Distance between the two centers, right? So what is the radius of first circle? Radius is calculated as सेंटर के x पार्ट का स्क्वायर सेंटर के y पार्ट का स्क्वायर माइनस द कांस्टेंट पार्ट. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
122 117, right or not? The radius 2 will be calculated as square root center के x पार्ट का स्क्वायर centers y part square minus the constant part, right? 58 equal to distance x2 minus x1 का स्क्वायर प्लस y2 minus y1 का स्क्वायर. What is the value of k? Why will I solve? You solve. What is the value of k? Sorry. Up to, that's cheating. That's cheating at your end. इतना सब करने के बाद भी if you guys are not answering, that's terrible cheating at your end.
47.
Negative, positive.
Positive.
Positive 47, and hence we win it, right? So is it difficult?
Sir, can you please repeat that's R1 and R2?
Yes, dear. So, dear, the question is the two circles should intersect orthogonally. What is the value of k, right or not? We know that for orthogonal intersection, the condition is this, right or not? Yesterday we read it. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Fine. Let me post
Fine,
the
sir.
let me post the link. मैंने notes लिए, sorry. I have taken the notes of the previous class. ठीक है? Sure. I will let me first post it, else I'll forget it. Some Alan today's class due to weather condition. Okay, some Alan Manoj is saying that. Sorry. So मैं क्या कर रहा था? Why am I here? Why did I come here? Which I said कि I will forget. Notes, notes, notes.
Notes.
Yeah, notes. Very important. 1 second. क्योंकि circle के we did only single lecture ना, तो all the notes are very well saved. Okay. So I'll just give you guys the notes. Circle notes. I have sent to one WhatsApp person. Okay, sure. One or two who were there in the first top list. If you have received anyone, just tell me one or two. I don't remember whom all I have sent. First few person who were there. Anyone received?
Yes, sir.
हाँ चलो ठीक है cool. Then to others I will send after the session. Don't worry. Fine. There are many, so it will take time. Back to agenda is what I was saying. ठीक है?
Sir,
हाँ
can you explain how we got the D part?
हाँ, that's what I'm coming to this explanation now. ठीक है? So in that notes everything what concepts are we apply are there. ठीक है? जैसे ये concept is there, right or not? Sure. So back to agenda. Here in this question they said कि भाई these are two circles, they are intersecting orthogonally, then what is the value of k? We know that for an orthogonal intersection radius of 1, radius of 2 should be equal to the distance between the two centers. Okay, sure.
Yes, sir.
So fine, from equation number 1 we got one center, from equation number 2 we got another center. Distance between them can be easily calculated by distance formula. We calculated. Fine. Sure. That's the value of d. So what is the value of d square? Root removed. Clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, but how do you calculate radius?
I am coming to that now. What is the system? First thing we learned from the equation is finding its center and finding its radius. Right? Center is take the x part, take the y part, half them and change the sign. Right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus 2 plus 22, half them is minus 1 plus 11 and change the sign. So minus 1 becomes plus 1 and plus 11 becomes minus 11. Right or not?
Yeah, yes,
This
sir.
is center. How do we calculate the radius? Radius of any circle, suppose circle 1 is square root of square of centers x part, square of centers y part minus the constant part in the equation. So 122 minus 5 is 117, root 117. But the square of it will be 117. Clear?
Okay, clear, sir.
Sure. Likewise here. Okay? ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Easy. Right? Next. Solve चाहिए. Solve चाहिए. I'll switch on the fan.
Sir, A.
A is what the circle touch each other externally is Sundar. Correct. So when D is equal to R1 plus R2, it is internal touch, नहीं external touch. For internal touch के लिए क्या होता बेटा? D is equal to R1 minus R2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Sure.
Okay, sir.
Yes or no? Next. The point of intersection of the circle. What is the point of intersection of the given circles? Point of intersection, please. Straightforward. Point of intersection. So pretty evident. Sure, in any such scenario, please note down the step. Find the equation of common chord. Find the equation of common chord. Find the equation of CC. How do you find the equation of CC? Shawan.
Equation 1 is equation 2.
हाँ, तो put it, get me the equation of CC, common chord. So you will say, sir, equation number 1 is minus 2ax equal to minus 2by. Am I correct? A into x equal to b into y. So when you put 0 comma 0, is it satisfying? Yes. When you put a comma b, is it satisfying? A square equal to b square? No. When you put this, is it satisfying? 2a square b square by a square plus b square? 2b square a square upon a square plus b square? Yes, they are. Hence the answer is bravo.
Sir, can you please repeat
I
it
will,
again?
beta. See, what they are saying that these two circles are there, right or not? Find their point of intersection, right?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Right or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
you know that the 2 point of intersection will lie on the common chord. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Hence, what you did is you found a common chord, which is ax equal to by. Right or not?
Yes.
Now
Yes,
you
sir.
are putting these points and checking. So 0, 0 when you put it satisfy. A into 0 is 0, B into 0 is 0. Both are equal. So yes, this is okay, this is okay, this is okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you decided A comma B. A into A square. B into B square. Nowhere this is given that both are equal, so we cannot accept it, right or not?
Yes, sir.
Now here, instead of x, if I put this, denominator is A square plus B square. 2a b square into a is 2a square b square, right or not?
Yes.
2a square b into b is 2a square b square upon a square plus b square. Wow, both are coming equal, and yes, this is our point. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Sure? Very good.
Sure, sir.
Someone said anything, I guess? Is anyone waiting? Proceed. You need three things. You need distance between the centers, you need radius 1, you need radius 2. So for this you need distance between the two centers. I am not solving. I have given you hint. I am sleeping. No, this is not the way I sleep. क्या करूँ? क्या करूँ? मेरा ना चॉकलेट मिल्क शेक पीने का मन था. But I am cutting on sugar. क्या करें? Life is very tough when you get fat. Those who were bunking the class, please state the reason why were you bunking the class for 30 minutes.
So I had some network issues.
Is fine, beta. Like, how's the weather
Sorry,
now?
sir. Sorry for the
No problem, no
inconvenience.
problem. Please welcome. Yeah. So we are solving these questions, Akansha. Okay. Chalo. If you answer this question,
Sir, touch internally.
touch internally is what being stated by one dear friend of mine. So by the centers are 1 comma minus 3, 5 by 2 comma minus 3. touch internally. Satyavachan. One radius is 2.5, one radius is 1, and distance is 1.5, right?
Yes, sir. 3 by 2.
Shabash. Shabash. No one else is doing. We two people are talking only.
Sir, radius in the equation.
What is the radius? It will take time. No problem. I am not in a hurry. I'm just waiting for you guys to solve. Anyone need help? Please tell. All of you. You can find the equation of common chord. You can, sorry, you are not required to find the equation of common chord. You can just straightforward go into what we are saying. What? What are we saying? Veda? Finding the center and then finding the distance and then finding the radius of circle 1 and then finding the radius of circle 2 and hence proceeding forward. Quick. Yes. Should I? Okay, is there anyone who feels that I should explain?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, why? Radius of circle 2? Okay, Atush. Fine. So, square root of center x part square, center y part square minus the constant part. Can I write it minus 6? 4 6 are 24. 25 minus 24, 1 by 4. Okay? So, पूरा कर दूं? Someone said yes. So देखो बेटा, the center of circle 1 is 1 comma minus 3. Its radius is square root of 1 square plus this square minus 6 to equation number 1. The center of circle 2 is positive 5 by 2 comma minus 3. Its radius is square root of, we just now calculated 1 by 4. 1 by 2. Hence, D, the distance between the centers, which is minus 1 is 0, 5 by 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3. So, you know, 5 by 2, sorry, it is not 3, 5 by 2, right? 2.5 minus 1 is 1.5. 1.5 is distance. The radius of circle 1 is 2. Radius of circle 2 is 0.5. So 2 minus R1 minus R2 is equal to D, which is internal touch. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes or no? Next. You know it. You know it. When a line is outside the circle, what should happen? Right?
Option D.
Delta or
Delta.
Charlie? Maybe. But so we say the center of this circle is 0, comma 10, right or not? And its radius is root 10. So it's the distance of this line, which is mx minus y equal to 0, from 0 comma 10 is minus 10 by square root of m square plus 1 in a mod equal to, sorry, equal to is greater than, not tangent, it is outside, is greater than, distance is greater than radius root 10, squaring on both the side, right? 100 is greater than m square plus 1 into 10. So आपको पता चल चुका है m square should be less than 9. M should be less than positive 3 or negative 3, both. Clear? Sure?
Sir, okay, that 9.
Beta, m square 10 minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Koई nahi, I can.
Yes.
This 1 goes here, 10 minus 1 is 9, right?
Yes, sir. Okay.
बहुत आराम से चित्रा बिडसू, बिडसू द चित्रा, what do we call it? Rupja, you guys have taught me, I guess. You have taught me draw, solve in speed is Vegam, solve karo is Chayu. Then what is draw? Draw it. What is the
Very
name?
cute.
Huh?
Very cute.
Very cute. Huh? Very cute. Ninth grade. Bas, I will not say anything else. If you observe carefully, are these two lines perpendicular? Right? This point, any circle through the point of intersection of this point line and this line. This is the point of intersection. I will say I. If intersect the lines at P and Q, then we know this is 90 degree. And this happens when this is the diameter. You know it, right? Angles made at the diameter are 90 degree, right? What they are saying, the angle subtended by PQ at the center is 180. Double of it, ninth grade. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Next. Someone said something. Sir, how do you find the lines are perpendicular? Slope. The product of their slopes is -1. Slope of this line is -1 by √3. Slope of this line is √3. The slope ka product is -1. Got it? Solve चाहिए. ये कर लोगे, easy है. There are many questions, so we have to थोड़ा सा rush forward. There's also you can do distance will be equal to radius, right? Distance between the center and tangent is nothing but radius, right? Right or not? Distance between center and the line is nothing but the radius, right?
Sir, 2.
But you will get the answer. Fine. And always remember one thing which I am telling you with some experience, beta. Ki whenever they ask something like radius, double check. Suppose they would have asked diameter, you know there's a high possibility you will only calculate distance and in excitement say 2, then the answer will be 4. So always have make a habit whether they are asking radius or diameter to double check. Fine? Sure? If a circle passes through these 3 points, then its center is draw Vericco. Vericchio. You will get the answer. Vericchio. Right? The same thing. This will be the diameter. What is the center? It's midpoint. Okay? So you can make a note here. When a circle intersect axis, x-axis or y-axis, then its center is the midpoint of the points of intersection. 0a, a by 2, 0b, b by 2. Understood? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Noted?
No, sir.
No. Sure. Equation of the circle whose center is 1 comma minus 3. Wait. In these, whose center is 1 comma minus 3? I am asking you a reverse question now. I am asking you a reverse question, guys.
Sir, none of these.
Very good. A, B, C, D to is anyway. These, find the center and radius of these three.
Sir,
Find.
first one, 5
Five.
minus 15.
Ah?
Second one,
Okay, very good.
second one minus 5 plus 15. Third one, 5 minus 15.
Right? Wrong.
Why, sir?
First guy.
Actually, one.
First guy. They should be 1. Wherever we have learned circle, the coefficient of x square and y square are 1. Tell me yes.
We are supposed to take it common.
Yeah. So the first step is all these equations should be converted to x square plus y square minus 2x plus 6y plus 49 by 5. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 6y plus 49 by 5. X square plus y square minus 2x plus 6y minus 49 by 5. Got it? Now tell me, what is the center of this?
1 minus
3, sir.
This also. So either alpha or Charlie may be the answer. Yes or no? Just by this. We have not read, we haven't read further. We have just read this point. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And which touches the line this? Mean the distance between this line and center should be equal to radius. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what is the distance between center and this line? 2 plus 3 minus 4 divided by square root of 2 square plus 1 square. It is 1 by root 5. Yes or no? You have two circles, circle 1 and circle 2. Which one is giving you radius 1 by root 5? First radius is 1 plus 9 minus 49 by 5. 50, 49. Yes, that's the answer. If you want, you can check this radius. If you check this radius, it will be root 1 plus 9 minus minus plus 49 by 5. Okay, so it will become 99 by 5. Clear? That's not our answer. Our answer is this. Answer alpha. Got it? Say yes. I'm not interested in listening no.
Yes, sir.
Alright, you know it. I won't tell. I am not telling. I am not interested to tell. Both is the answer. Because sir, minus 2 comma plus 2 and radius is 2. 2 and 2 both. Solve. I am not. Do not. मेरे को बोलना भी नहीं solve करने का. I will get angry, very angry, furiously angry. I will get. Someone got?
So option B, x
Yeah.
square plus y square minus 2x.
What is the center of this? 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 There are two types of center. Diameter will always intersect at center. So when I put x equal to minus 1, doesn't satisfy. When I put x equal to 1 and y, yes. These two are possible. Now, to have this much area, the radius should be equal to 5. You know it from child. Radius equal to 7, right or not? Pi, which is 22 by 7, into r square should be 154. 7. So r should be 7, right or not? When I calculate the radius of first circle, that is Bravo, it's 1 plus 1 minus of minus 47. Yes, that's the answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Sir, how come the r equal to 7?
Because they have given the area of the circle is 154. Area is pi r
Okay,
square.
Okay, sir.
Sure? Pi is 22
Yes,
by
sir.
7. Right. Mahesh is there. Mahesh. No one answering. अरे भाई बड़ा सरल है. The lines this and this, are these parallel lines?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the distance between them? Jaldi. Distance is, first we make both the lines look same. The second one I'll look like 6x minus 8y
Sir,
plus
3 by
8
2.
equal to 0. Difference between their constant part is 15. Yes or no? By 10. Distance is 3 by 2. What is the radius? When the two lines are tangent, The diameter is the distance.
3 by 4.
3 by 4. क्या था इस क्वेश्चन में बताओ? What was there in this question? Why was it taking so long?
Sir, can you please tell D? How come?
So beta, if there are two parallel lines, the distance between them is, first step, make both look same. So anyway, one is looking like 6x minus 8y equal to 7. Another one we multiply by 2. So 6x minus 8y equal to minus 8. Yes or no? So the distance is difference between their constant parts. 7 minus minus 8 is 15 upon square root of a square plus b square. 6 square plus 8 square is root 100, which is 10. Okay?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Next. What is the value of k? I am not solving it. It's an insult if I solve it.
Sir, B4.
Minus,
Ah,
minus 4.
shabash. 9 comma minus 6 square root 81 plus 36 minus k is equal to 11. So k equal to right.
Yes, sir.
The number of circles touching the line y equal to x and y axis is. So wait, I forgot to tell you yesterday. Like last class. Wait, I know I forgot. Relax. Note down. If there are two lines, then infinite circles can touch them. Understood? Sure?
Sure, sir.
Okay. Sure. So when there are two lines, infinite. When there are three concurrent lines, concurrent, then no circle can touch all. Samjha? All can't be touched. Two can be touched at once, but all three can't be touched. Okay? Touching and intersecting are different, right or not? Like I can draw a circle like this, but it is only touching this line, intersecting these two, right? Sure? So no circle can touch three lines which are, or more lines which are concurrent, intersecting at same point. Then comes non-concurrent lines. There are four circles. 1, 2, understood? 3 and 4. 4 circles. Clear?
Can you repeat, sir?
List is beta. I'll not draw now. if there are two lines, then infinite circles can touch them. There are three concurrent lines, no circles can touch them. Three non-concurrent lines, then four circles can touch them. So what is the answer for this question?
Infinite, sir.
Good. So, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I've told you. Whenever this happens, the center is midpoint of the intercepts, right or not? Center will be 3 by 2 comma 4 by 2. Where is 3 by 2 comma 4 by 2? Negative. Positive. Yes or no? There is a point called as devil lies in details. And that's very true. Clear? No one said anything. I hope everyone understood.
Sir, how we take 3 by 2 and 4 by 2?
I told you, no, beta, whenever there is a circle which passes from origin and cuts intercepts, right or not, on x-axis and y-axis, 3 and 4 is given, then their center is the midpoint. 0 and 3 midpoint is 3 by 2. 0 and 4 point.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
All these you can do. The equation batao. I will send you this. You can do na. These are all easy questions. Why are we wasting time on these? $21. 21. You know how to do it. 10th grade. Very cute. Very cute. Vegam, you will get the answer.
Pi by 2.
Pi by 2. Where is the center? 7 comma minus 1. Yes or no? From the origin you can draw two tangents. Sorry. What is the angle between them? Right? Suppose you don't get the graph, then too how will you do? You will say, sir, this circle, the center is 7 comma minus 1. This is origin, sir. If we connect them, sir, this is root 50. Say yes. Suppose, sir, the tangent falls here. Then we know that, sir, This is 90 degree, right? Or default. If we get this angle, the double of this angle is our answer, right? Sir, radius is 5. So, sir, if this is theta, we can write sine theta equal to opposite upon hypotenuse 1 by root 2. So, theta is 45 degrees, sir. Angle between the tangent is double of it, hence 90 degree. Yeah,
Sir, can you please repeat this?
I will, beta. Did you get the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Bus. You are trying to find this angle, double of this is the answer because they want to know the angle between the two tangents which are possible. Okay,
Okay, sir.
sure, understood?
Yes, sir.
Draw. I am not, now you got it. Same line of flow. I am not in. You flow. Extra brain might be required. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ extra calories of the brain will have to be burned. Again, see, draw. Circle, fine. Origin, okay. Oops. Tangent number 1. Tangent number 2. Center, which is 3 comma 4. The radius is 2. What they want? AB, the length of AB. Oh wow, nice question. So listen to me. बिल्कुल आराम से listen. This is origin. This is 5. This is 2. So this will be 23. Sorry, 21. Pythagoras theorem. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes, sir.
This is 90 degree. AX I will say. This center C. In a triangle CAO.
Sir, how come the 5 radius 0 to C?
What 5 radius? Huh? But I did not
Sir,
get it.
Sir, how come this 5 0
5
to C?
distance between 0 comma 0 and 3 comma 4.
Oh, sir, thank
Yes or
you.
no?
Okay, sir.
Sure. Very good. Very good. Relax. Feel free to ask doubt anyway. Very good. Sure. Back to agenda. In triangle CAO, sine of angle O is opposite upon hypotenuse. Yes or no? Equation number 1. Similarly, in triangle AXO, the same sine of angle O will be 2 by 5, which is AX upon root 21. So AX is 2 root 21 by 5. AB is double of AX. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question, sir. Good evening, sir. Sir, at 27 of July to 27 of July to it's exactly 1 month from now. 27 of July to the 3rd of August. Right, sir? He can only go for 2 days and come also. He need not to stay for the whole week. Right, sir? He can. Right, as comfortable. Right, sir? He can also start on the weekend. 27 is the midweek, right, sir? Exactly. I'll book the needful, sir. No problem. Right, sir. Right, sir. Right, sir. Right, sir. Right, sir. Sorry. Ah, the common chord. हो गया है तो equation 1 equal to equation 2 da.
First option, x plus
Yeah,
x plus
coincidentally
y
we
plus
did
1.
similar kind of question, right? Our answer was also coming this way only when we solved it. Equation of the diameter of the circle. Sorry. Well, solve this question. The diameter of the circle must pass from where? Diameter of the circle must pass from where?
Center, sir.
Huh?
Center.
Centroid. What is a centre?
-1.
Is it
2.
passing? No. Is it passing? No. Is it passing? Okay. Right or not? Right, everyone? Easy?
Yes, sir.
Straightforward? Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Okay? Quite a good number of people are absent today. Yeah? Quite a good number of people. Sure. No problem. Okay? Sure. Understood circles? Yes or no? Rajwant, Abhishek, Jamir. Very good, very good, very good. So, understood the approach? Very good.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Now, beta, we have got both the doors open. Okay, both the doors open means what do I mean by both the doors open? I mean by both the doors open as what I mean by both the doors open as we can go to permutations and combination 1 or we can also go to continuation of this, which is conic sections. Those who want to pursue conic sections, send me a number 5 over the chat. 5. If you want to continue conic sections, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, send me a number 5 over the chat. Only 4 people, 5 people, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. ठीक है, ठीक ठाक. Those who want to go to permutations and combinations, please send me a number 10 over the chat. 10 is winning da. Flood is there. 10, 10, 10, 10. Right? Good. Okay. Sure. Also, dear, I am posting certain tricks, etc. at YouTube. Okay, at a location called as, you go to YouTube. I won't share with you link. I will not share with you link. You go to TEAM team, SAPPERS, sappers. You can find, I've freshly started it, all the short tricks, okay, very short tricks and previous year papers. Okay, like you
What
can
is the
see.
magnitude of AB array? Distance ना ये square root 4 तो 6.
Understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
previous year paper etc. I am solving over there. You can आराम से go. Sure. Subscribe it. Like it. Sure. Okay. All tricks etc. I put over there. Don't worry. Fine.
Fine, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. So I'm putting it over there. Spread it among your friends and all also. It's convenient, right? Sure.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Fine. बढ़िया. आप लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा. You can also suggest कि sir can you put this also. For all the suggestion, DM me. Directly message me for all the suggestions. Sir, can you put this also in the channel? Can you put this also? May not happen immediately, but with a slow process. Fine. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Sure. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. What is where do you have to find it? Team Sappers. Yes, SAPPERS. Okay, Sappers is a regiment in Indian Army, whose task is to simplify. You can remember the logo. It's like this. It looks like this. Okay. Sure. This is a stamp of Sappers. Fine. Team Sappers. Fine. You can aram se go
Okay,
there,
sir.
and you will find good educational stuff. Nothing miscellaneous is over there. Fine. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Sure, sir.
Now talking about the next chapter, as majority of you have selected for 2 into 5 Vignesh. Nice one. Right? Sure. We will go to permutations and combinations. Fine.
Fine, sir.
Sure. Wैसे I was feeling a bit about conic, because we are in the flow of geometry. We can do it, but no problem. We'll go to permutations and combinations. Fine. Am I sharing the screen? Yes, I am sharing the screen. So our chapter now is permutations and combinations. ध्यान से. Okay. There are two words in Sanskrit for permute and to combine. Permutation means sequential, kram chaya, sequential. Combination means sanchaya, collection. The primary difference between these two is when you permute, when you arrange them in sequence, then having 1, 2, and 3 is different from having 3, 2, and 1, is different from having 2, 3, and 1. But whereas when you collect them in your bag, is there 1, 2, and 3? Yes. How are they in the bag? We don't know. In the bag, they are 1, 2, 3. Clear or not? Sure. Fine. Clear? When you are buying 1, 2, and 3, whether you bought 1 first, 2 first, or 3 first, doesn't matter. In your bag, what should be there? Collection of 1, 2, and 3. Whereas when you arrange 1, 2, and 3, they mean different. Clear? Right? That is the primary difference between permutation and combination. When sequence do matter, we call it permutation. When sequence do not matter, we call it combination. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Now, how important is this chapter? This chapter has got 3 plus 1 type of importance. What is the meaning of 3 plus 1? 3 direct questions from the chapter will come, PnC. 1 question in probability will come from this. Okay? Sure. 1 question of probability will be linked to permutations. Clear? Anyone interested in dosa? Set.
Yes, sir.
चलो आगे बढ़े. So what are the topics? Note down. Arrangement of numbers, words is more important. Number is comparatively a bit more important than words.
So how many questions will come from this chapter?
3 plus 1 beta. 3 direct questions and 1 in probability.
Okay, sir.
Sure. Are we clear? What? Question of either number or words. The importance of number is a bit more than words. Second, geometrical application. Very, very important. Third, difficult question. One difficult question will come from this chapter. Though we are going to cover almost all aspects of variety, but if suppose there comes a question beta which you are not able to, say for example you are going only preparation of mind, okay, you did not do any self study, you have only prepared what I have taught you, suppose, then there will be 2 questions which you will get short. There might be 1 question which you feel, yeah, I am not aware about this pattern. If you can crack it, which pattern it is, how to solve it in 50 seconds, not more than that. In 50 seconds after reading the question, then continue, else leave it. Understood? Clear? Continue when you feel within 40 to 50 seconds, when you feel that you can do this question, then only invest more time, else leave it, don't worry. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Got it? You have got enough questions in the paper to solve. Clear? You have got enough questions in the question paper to solve. Don't worry. Okay? One question you will miss, no problem. Fine? Understood? Okay? Don't burn out 5-7 minutes on the question. Yeah, मुझे तो permutation combination is clear. Why am I not getting? Don't get egoistic. Especially boys. We men are idiot with the ego. Though there are some positive parts of it as well. It makes things doable, right or not? But anyway, back to agenda. Don't get egoistic with कि यार कैसे नहीं बनेगा क्वेश्चन देखता हूँ साले को, right? No, don't have that approach in examination. While practicing, you may not have that. You may have that approach. Clear? Back to it. So one question difficult will pakka come from permutation and combination. Fine? Clear? But proceed. Another type is algebra of permutation and combination or ranking. Either दोनों में से एक ही आएगा. Either rank of a word will come or algebra of permutation and combination. In past two papers, it's been observed. Past 2 years, that means 3 papers. It's been observed that they are not giving questions based on algebra of permutation and combination. Rather, they are giving questions based on ranking of the word. So it can go anyway. Either they will break the trend and ask you a question on algebra of permutation and combination, or they will continue the trend and ask you a question based on ranking of the word. Are we clear with this line of information?
Yes, sir.
Cool. So this is the structure of the chapter. Now talking about questions. So first question. Basic principle of multiplication. Achha, 1 second. Those who are freshly into 11th grade, ये थोड़ा trouble करेगा. Clear? Sure? Because ideally the chapter is very long, beta. ठीक है? But we do not have time to comprehensively cover it here. Okay? So I request personally, please, personal request, sure, you back end पे अपना CBSE NCERT work keep on doing. Whatever help you need from my end, please ask. I will happily do it. Sure.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Achha, one question I wanted to ask. Tomorrow is a national holiday, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Eid.
Is there anyone who has got working tomorrow? Chalo, tell me that.
What, sir?
No, sir.
Is there anyone who's working tomorrow?
No, sir.
Tomorrow is Eid al-Fitr.
Exactly, right?
Yeah.
Huh? Eid na?
Yes.
एक क्लास रखेंगे एक्स्ट्रा.
I won't be able to attend because
Why?
I'm visiting. I won't be able to attend, sir.
You have prayer.
Prayer and visiting families.
Okay.
Visiting my relatives.
Okay. How many of dear friends of ours won't be available because they are involved into religious activity? Just give me a hand count. Raise hand those who will not be able to attend the session. Okay. Around 3 people. Guys, if I record the session, will it be helpful for you? Sure. Okay. So I am not promising that. I will see my schedule. I just got in the JE session which was going before this. I got this information that sir, tomorrow is a school holiday. If we can have an extra class, fine. So if that be the case, I'll also see my schedule and accordingly we can take an action. I'll post a message in the WhatsApp. Okay? Clear?
Sir, same timing, right?
No, टाइमिंग में सुबह उठाऊंगा मैं यार छुट्टी के दिन. Why will I be letting you enjoy?
So,
Why? I'll ruin your morning, da.
so this is not fair.
Sure. So, let's see. I'll give you a notification. Okay? If till 9 p.m. tonight message doesn't come, then no class. Fine?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Basic principle of multiplication. What it says, listen to me, relax. Suppose I have given you 5 colors, okay? Or chalo 7 WebGear colors, right or not? Right? And I want you to design a tricolor. Fine? All 3 colors must be different. In how many ways can you do? So you will say, sir, suppose we start filling from this box. In order to fill this box, we have 7 options. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Out of 7, 1 we will use here. So for the next box, we have got how many options?
21.
6.
And
Six.
for the last box, how many options?
5.
5.
5.
5.
Right? So the total is multiplication. 42 into 5. Jaldi.
60.
Hey, 42 into 5 is 60. कौन है ये पापी?
2.
ठीक है? So you can design 210 types of flags using 7 colors. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Sure. ठीक है? Now see, I am giving you another story. I have given you 3 numbers, 1, 2 and 3. How many 3-digit numbers can be created out of it? In numbers, repetition is allowed. Yes or no? 333 is a number, right or not?
Yes, sir.
So you will say, sir, to fill this box, we have 3 options. To fill this box also, we have 3 options. 27 such numbers are there. Yes or no? But
Yes, sir.
suppose if I add a line such that the digits are not repeated, then the answer will be 3, 2 and 1.
3, 2, 1.
Understood? This is called
Yes, sir.
basic principle of multiplication. Sorry, my dear friends of 12th grade, I am going a bit comprehensive just to create thoda sa introductory scenario. Okay, Mahesh? Not angry on me, right?
No, sir.
Right? Cool, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I thought कि you will be like कि यार ये क्या पढ़ा रहा है slow यार. Directly come to the question ना. Because see, I don't want to ask this question to Shravan. But why? Shravan doesn't know anything from 11th grade. So anyway, his being into 2nd grade is like of no use, right? Or no? Right, Shravan?
Yes, sir.
Akash is there. How's his hand? Akash. Might not be there. Chalo, good. Anyway, back to agenda. So, beta, this is basic principle. अब यहाँ पे these kind of plain questions don't come. Now I am landing into twisted scenario. Please note down one sample question. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements, you have to create a 4-digit even number. 4-digit even number without repetition. Without repetition. How many such numbers are possible? So, should I interfere or you want to invest thoda bahut time?
$48, sir.
48 is what you said. Chalo, let's see. The primary, always remember, address the biggest constraint first. So here the biggest, minutest constraint is even number, right? To make an even number, the last digit can only be filled by an even number, right or not? This can
Yes,
be
sir.
filled in two ways, right? Out of 5, 1 is used here. Now you can start filling any way like. So 4 ways, 3, 2. Yes or no? So 48 is the right answer. Everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
So could you repeat?
I will, beta. So you got this now. Why am I filling this with two ways?
Yes, sir.
Either 2 or 4, right?
Yes.
So out of 5, I used 1, which is either 2 or 4, right?
Okay, sir.
How many are remaining?
So 4.
Right? So 4
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Understand. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understand.
Now suppose एक star mark है, there is a star mark. Whenever two words even and zero look together, be alert. Now note down this question and solve this. If I
Sir,
am
and the
giving,
2 is repeating now.
no, 2 is not repeating. We are not refilling 2. It's like two ways.
Okay, sir.
Clear? So, 3. Out of these 6 numbers, in how many ways you can create a 4-digit even number? No repetition.
Sir, 3024.
Maybe. बट ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया यार, ये पॉसिबल नहीं लग रहा. 3000 numbers.
Sir, 240.
ये थोड़ा सेंसिबल साउंड कर रहा है, ठीक है.
I made a mistake, sir. I thought it's a 90.
Yeah.
Sir, 180.
240. What all options are coming? 240
So
and
180.
180. One is none of these. Okay. Tell me
Sir,
what.
after 5, what is that number?
5, 9.
So 120.
120. Bhai, okay, all 4 options done.
Sir, sorry, 120. It's 120.
Whenever even and zero come together, be alert. Solve the question in separate. Step 1. When you use 0 here, means this is being filled in one way. Yes or no? Right? Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. This can be filled in 5 ways, 4 ways, 3 ways. 60 ways you can create a number which ends at 0 and is a 4-digit number. But suppose you don't use 0 at the last. So you use either 2, 4. This can be filled in 2 ways. Now you are left with 5 numbers. But you can't use 0, you can only fill this with 4 ways. Out of 6, 2 numbers are used, 4 are remaining. ठीक है? How many ways? 96. So the total number of ways are 156. Understood?
Yes, sir.
What you have to remember whenever two words come together, 0 and even, right? If there is odd, then you don't have to think about it. Clear? You can directly put. So 0 and even come together, be alert. Clear? Sure.
Yes, sir.
That's called basic principle of multiplication. We used it for, we have just used it for, we have just used it for numbers. Clear?
So could you explain the 96 wala part?
96.
Four,
हाँ बेटा, very good, very good. ठीक है? You have to create a 4-digit number.
Yes, sir.
You have already created even numbers which end at 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So you are creating even numbers which end at either 2 or 4, right?
Yes, sir.
This block can be filled in two ways. So, fine. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now, out of 6 numbers, 1 has been used here. So you are actually left with 5. But these 5 options include 1 0, right?
Yes, sir.
And 0 can't be filled here, because if you fill 0 here, it will not become a 4-digit number, rather become a 3-digit number. Yes, sir?
Yes, sir. Right.
So this can only be filled in 4 ways. Out of 6, 2 numbers are used, 4 remaining, 3. Clear?
Okay, sir. Okay,
So-
sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
Cool. Everyone got it? Sure? I'll not hammer your brain much. You can relax. Okay? Sure? I have to send you this sheet of circles, right or not? And this classroom's note, right or not? Sure. Remember what I said? For tricks and all, you can go to the channel. Right? Take care.